Hi everybody, I'm Kaveri. I'm a third year medical student in BGS Global Institute of Medical Sciences, Bangalore. This video has been really special to me because I have slightly gone out of my niche and tried to do something different. If any of the medical students are watching this, you might be very familiar with shows like Dr. House or Grey's Anatomy. And one of the Indian ones from Dice Media being Operation MBBS is no less. Because these shows help us relive a medical journey in some way or the other. If you haven't already watched Dr. MBBS, I suggest you watch, and I have left the link in the description box below. So without any further delay, let's get watching.
Bow down. हीरो है तू कॉलेज का? दूसरे दिन ही जीन्स।
सॉरी सर, सॉरी। चल मुर्गा बन। सर मुर्गा बनने तो नहीं आता है। जहाज बन जाओ। बन जा।
Okay, so this is a very funny scene. So what happens is in most of the medical colleges there is ragging. I mean, I won't tell that it is very serious. It is more of a fun event. And in my college there is no ragging. So during the initial days, students usually get ragged by their seniors, and this is one such scene. And it's very funny here. And one more thing that I noticed here is the boy is wearing jeans. And all the medical colleges will have strict dress code, and it is formals absolutely. So jeans is not allowed in college.
रुक्मिणी मैम, वो बूंद सेट की बात की थी।
हाँ वो बिक गया।
बट मैम आपने कहा था कि आप हमें दोगे।
दूंगी, गिफ्ट नहीं था, बेच रही थी। तुमसे बेटर प्राइस मिला तो बेच दे। और सीनियर से ऐसे बात करते हो तुम लोग?
बट मैम, we had a deal.
It's not a deal until it's done.
Okay, so in first year, all the students have this subject called anatomy, for which they require a bone set. And here, these two are taking bone set from their senior. Usually, seniors don't want it after first year. They want it for forensic in second year, but after that, they do not require it. So they sell it to their juniors, or they can get it from the college administration itself. So the senior is selling here to the person with whom she makes a very good deal.
सो रो यार तुम वेंकट, आज तुम्हारा दारू सुट्टा बंद। यार पार्ले बिस्किट खाया करो यार, तुम 2 दिन अकेले नहीं छोड़े, कंकाल बन गए हो। यार नाराज हो क्या हमसे? खाओगे नहीं क्या? लो।
Okay. So first of all, in medical colleges, we do not get this entire skeleton set. We get some bones, that's all. And all the bones that we get are real bones. So all these joints and articulations, cartilages, all those will be degraded. So we get only individual bones. This is an artificial bone set.
ये हमने श्रेया के साथ कॉन्ट्री में लिया है। अगर आप चाहते तो हम श्रेया से बात कर लेते 2 मिनट।
कहाँ है श्रेया?
श्रेया वहाँ है। श्रेया
श्रेया, I'm Huma from second year.
I'm Pallavi from third year.
So sorry.
So in medical colleges, you don't mess up with your seniors at all, and you ought to refer them as ma'am and sir. Here, yeah, this is one of the common thing that happens to all the freshers. They tend to mess up with the seniors, and this is one such scene, and this pretty much happens to most of them.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम। मैम आप लोग मुझे पास क्यों नहीं कर रहे हो मैम? 4 साल हो गए। हाउसफुल 1 आई थी, मैं तब भी फर्स्ट ईयर में था, और हाउसफुल 4 आकर निकल गई, मैं अब भी फर्स्ट ईयर में।
हाउसफुल 1 तुमने 2016 में देखी?
मैम आप बात को घुमाइए नहीं, मुझे पता है ये ना आप लोग की साजिश है मेरे खिलाफ। आप लोग नहीं चाहते कि मैं पास हो जाऊं, मुझे भी डॉक्टर बनना है मैम। मेरे पिताजी का प्रेशर है मेरे सर पर कि उनकी अर्थराइटिस का ट्रीटमेंट मैं करूंगा। आप क्या चाहते हो बुढ़ापे में बेचारे वो मेरे इंतजार में मरते रहे, दर्द से तड़पते रहे वो? आपने इस बार मुझे फेल किया ना मैम।
हम फेल करते नहीं, तुम खुद होते हो कितन चोटाई।
प्लीज कॉल मी केसी। आप मुझे पास करोगे या नहीं?
लास्ट ईयर एडमिन ब्लॉक के छत पे चढ़ गए थे, 2 घंटा तमाशा करके खुद नीचे आ गए।
मैम एक्चुअली ना क्या है कि उस समय लू बहुत तेज थी और लू से मुझे घमोरियां हो जाती हैं।
केसी पास होना है तो पढ़ाई करो, नौटंकी नहीं।
ठीक है ठीक है, आपको नोटिंग की। मैम 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 हेलो मैम, मैं हाथ काट लूंगा।
स्टॉप इट केतन।
नहीं मैं सच में काट लूंगा मैम, मैं मजाक नहीं कर रहा हूँ।
केसी स्टॉप इट।
नहीं मैं सच में काट लूंगा। आप सुन ही नहीं रहे हो, आपको लग रहा है मैं मजाक कर रहा
Stop
हूँ।
it!
ठीक है आप मेरे सीरियसली ले नहीं रहे हो, मेरे को सीरियसली। मैं काट लूंगा हाथ,
स्टॉप
मैं
इट।
सच में काट लूंगा हाथ।
बेवकूफी मत करो।
नहीं मैं हाथ काट लूंगा।
स्टॉप
मैं
इट।
हाथ हट हट। मैम बहुत दर्द हो रहा है मैम, डॉक्टर को बुलाओ।
Okay. What happens is so many students, even after they put in a lot of effort, they don't clear first year. And in medical colleges, if you don't clear first year, you can't go to second year. But on the other hand, if you have a backup in some subject in second or third year, you can carry over and clear it later. And this guy hasn't cleared first year from 4 years, and you tend to see a lot of people like this. And one more thing that I noticed is he just barged into his prince's chamber, and this never happens. And if you ever barge into your dean's or principal's chamber, you will get a permanent ticket out of your college. Yes, and yeah, that's all.
हाँ बोलो वेंकट।
हाँ निशान भाई यार, एक दोस्त है हमारा यार।
हमारे सिवा तुम्हारा कौन दोस्त है बे?
अबे तुम नहीं जानते हो यार उसको
अच्छा।
यार। भाई उसने ना अपनी बंदी के साथ ना पीरियड्स में सेक्स कर लिया है। भाई प्रेग्नेंट तो नहीं हो जाएगी वो?
अबे लुल्लू हो गया तुम?
अबे नहीं यार भाई, उसकी सच में फटी पड़ी है बे। तुमको तो पता होगा ना, बताओ ना।
Okay, so what happens is even though first year medical students know very little about all these diseases and all these stuff, you tend to get asked by all your relatives and friends about all these, and yeah, you end up not knowing much about all this.
I'm in second year. I'm not gonna rag anyone.
तूने तो फर्स्ट ईयर में निशान की रैगिंग।
Okay, this is very very relatable. So what happens is so many people tell that once they go to their second prof, they'll never rag juniors, and they'll end up being the first ones to actually start ragging.
यार रेडियल आर्टरी कैसे नहीं पता यार। स्कैल्पल बहुत शार्प होता ना यार।
हाँ शार्प तो होता है भैया।
नाइफ ले जाना चाहिए था। सीनियर सही कहते थे यार, एमबीबीएस खून मांगता है। मैंने तो वो भी दे दिया यार।
तो छोड़ क्यों नहीं देते भैया एमबीबीएस?
नहीं, उनकी साजिश में इनको कामयाब होने नहीं दूंगा मैं। आया उन्हें तो डिग्री लेकर ही जाऊंगा। तू देख मैं क्या करता हूँ।
So, two things that one can notice here, that Venkat is studying from Gray's Anatomy, and it is one of the complicated, I'd say a very big book to study for anatomy. And I think if he had studied from some simpler books like BDC, he could have easily cleared. Okay, and he is talking about MBBS requiring a lot of blood. I don't know about a lot of blood, but it surely requires some blood. So in first year, we have a subject called physiology, where we'll be doing some hematology experiments, for which we will have to take our own blood. We'll prick our finger, take blood, and perform experiments on our blood itself.
केसी भाई पढ़ाई वढ़ाई होती रहेगी, हम करेंगे यहाँ 5.5 साल अय्याशी। पास वास हम एक दिन में पढ़ के हो जाएंगे।
एक दिन में पढ़ के पास हो जाएगा।
Okay, so he's telling that he will study for 1 day and pass. That is never ever going to happen in medical.
Thanks for the help.
यहाँ तो हमें एक दूसरे की हेल्प करनी पड़ेगी। घर पे तो बहुत लोग होते हैं हेल्प करने के लिए।
I hate sharing my room. शिबू मामू की जब बेटी आती थी ना, she would just come and lie down on my bed, and that used used to really upset me. Eh, it's fine. You didn't know.
Okay, so in medical college hostels, you tend to stay with people sometimes very different, thinking, or you stay with someone who's very different from you, and what happens is at the end you end up becoming very close friends, and this is one example for such.
कभी देखा है dissection hall? Look around and be comfortable with the space. We are going to spend lot of time together in this hall with dead body. कभी देखी dead body? नहीं? देखोगे? Dead body? Come. थोड़ी सी जगह बनाओ. I want every one of you to understand one thing. This cadaver is not dead.
What?
It is alive with knowledge. Come. This is Dr. Patole. मुझसे पहले एनाटॉमी यही पढ़ाते थे. He donated his body for medical science for you guys, so that you can understand the mysteries of the human body. What a man. मरने के बाद भी बच्चों को एनाटॉमी पढ़ा रहे हैं. Remember, whenever we are performing dissection on Dr. Patole, be extra careful and very, very respectful. Understood? Yes, sir. Okay, let's start. Just as you can see, this is biceps muscle. Why is it called bicep? Because it has two heads of origin. This is small head, see? And this is, right? Don't push. Why is it called bicep? Because it has two heads of origin. This is small head, see? And hey, don't push. ध्यान देंगे. So this is small head, see? And this is large head. Understood? And this is belly of bicep. Okay? This is insertion of bicep and radial tuberosity.
Okay. So I can't stop laughing at the scene. So what happens is, in first year you have dissection. So you have a dissection hall where cadavers, those are the dead bodies, will be kept. So you will learn by dissecting those bodies. And the smell is very bad there. It is because of this chemical called formalin, which is used to store all those dead bodies from decomposing. Okay, so it is not that you see the dead bodies and feel pukish. It is actually because of the smell of formalin. And he is telling that this dead body is full of knowledge. It is because when you dissect, you see the course of all the arteries, nerves, muscles, and you get a clear picture of it. So it is said so. And you can see that girl standing on the stool there, and a lot of pushing and pulling is happening over here. And here it is because of fun, but it actually happens. You know, a group of 15 to 18 students are assigned with one body. So when the professor is dissecting some small part, you tend to not see it. So yeah, you obviously push and pull each other. Okay, and this guy just pushed the body. He just flipped the body over to that girl, over onto that girl. And oh my god, if you do something like this, you'll be out of your dissection hall throughout the year, I suppose.
सॉरी है यार.
गिल्टी हूँ मैं अपनी गलती पे, होती है जाने अनजाने में. गिल्टी हूँ मैं अपनी गलती
थैंक यू आकाश भैया। भैया बताओ यार यहाँ सबसे फेमस क्या है?
S3।
Cheers to पटोल। नहीं ना यार, S3 बोल रहे हैं हम।
Okay, so what happens is that as I told you earlier, you tend to meet very different people and you end up becoming best of friends and you do all these crazy stuff together. And I'm going to tell you that if you don't do all this crazy stuff in your MBBS, you haven't lived your MBBS at all. And it is very important that you have a good bunch of friends, I mean a lot of friends, because MBBS is very tiring because you have to spend so many years studying, and when you have good friend circle, it definitely keeps you going. And about this S3 shake, I think every canteen will have one such dish that everyone will be fond of. But ironically here, it did not taste good. Okay, so that's all for today. And I definitely want to know all those wonderful things that you felt as freshers in your medical colleges in the comment section below. Thank you. Bye-bye.